Imagine having the ability to read a 300-page book in just 5 minutes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, with the latest AI summarization tools, this is now a reality. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use these tools to save time and stay on top of your reading list. The problem with traditional reading is that it's time-consuming. With the latest research suggesting that the average person spends around 10 hours per week reading, it's no wonder many of us struggle to keep up with our reading lists. But what if you could condense that 10 hours into just 5 minutes? Sounds like a dream come true, right? That's where AI summarization tools come in. These tools use advanced algorithms to analyze and summarize long-form content into bite-sized chunks. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to use. With just a few clicks, you could transform a 300-page book into a 5-page summary. But which tool should you use? Let's take a look at some of the top options. One of the most popular AI summarization